Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the MosqiShock mosquito lamp. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just a mosquito lamp or a bug lamp that emits light and which draws in mosquitoes, cockroaches, bed bugs, flies, ants, and fleas. And basically bugs are attracted to light, so basically they will naturally gravitate toward this light, and once they enter this opening right here, they will get shocked. So as you can see, we have it here on Amazon. So they claim to be ultra quiet operation, waterproof and durable design, easy to clean and low maintenance, and safe and eco-friendly for kids and pets. So as you can see here on Amazon, they're rated 1.3 out of 5 stars, which is very low, with 13 ratings. And let's head on over down there to see the reviews. And as you can see, this person said that it doesn't work. My backyard is full of mosquitoes. I left this out last night and there was not one mosquito in the bottom of the zapper. It killed a few small moths and other non-mosquitoes, but no mosquitoes. It's a regular bug zapper, just smaller. Studies have demonstrated that mosquitoes are attracted to bug zappers. If you want a bug zapper, get a real one at Home Depot. Cheap junk, doesn't work. Don't waste your money, bug zapper 0 stars. This is a ridiculous item to sell. Scam item doesn't work, does not work again, and does not work and want to use outside. Not worth the money. Instructions say close all the windows and turn off lights. One of them doesn't stay on. Wanted to use this outside. So basically, if you're planning on buying this product, I advise you to not buy this product since it's just a regular bug zapper. It doesn't kill mosquitoes as well. And yeah, that is basically it. So please refrain from buying this product, and you can just buy any other bag zapper from Home Depot or any other hardware that is near you. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.